Good evening, good evening. I am preparing to shampoo my hair, so before I shampoo my hair, I will braid and band. I will be braiding and banding my hair in a way that I will have a wonderful braid out when I am done. I need to do this one over. Because as I braid and band my hair, I am going to continue to leave enough out at the roots so I can carefully clean my scalp. But I also have to braid my hair tighter below that loose area for a curlier look that will hold longer. And as I braid, let me go ahead and do what I normally do, because my subscribers deserve recognition. So I just want to say thank you. Thank you for continuing to support me and to support the channel. I really appreciate all that you do. And if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, this is an open invitation. 24/7, you can subscribe to this channel. Join the Jean G family by clicking on the subscribe button and then the notification bell, so you will know every time I upload a video. And while you're watching the video, if I'm providing some content that is useful to you, please go ahead and click the like button and also share it. Because if you like it and it's useful to you, maybe some of your friends on social media would feel the same way. So please share. Thank you very much. Now I'm going to continue to braid my hair, and I might speed this up so you are not bored with just watching me braid. One other thing I want to share with you is that I will be using a new shampoo this time. My consultant, Kim, suggested to me or asked if I'd ever used the purple shampoo. And I haven't. Yet I've heard one of my subscribers, as well as fellow YouTubers, Barbara, I think on YouTube she's Oliver. Barbara Oliver. She had used the purple shampoo, and that purple shampoo is supposed to lighten the gray or take away the brassiness of the gray. And the purple shampoo that I chose to use is by Organics, and it said that it helps to brighten and color correct yellow tones on silver. So this is the shampoo that I will be using tonight on my locks, and I'm hoping that it makes a difference. I'll come back shortly afterwards and let you see what it looks like, and you can be the judge. And now I will continue with this braiding. right, now that I've finished braiding and banding, I'm going to go shampoo my hair and I'll come back and let you see what it looks like. I don't know if it's going to have any changes during the first wash or if I have to pay attention to the changes over time as I wash my hair with this shampoo more and more. And it is to enhance. It says blonde enhance, but it also has an effect on silver. When it says silver, talking about my gray. I'll see you in a little bit. Good morning, good morning. I said that I would come back this morning and show you what my hair looks like. And right now it is a bit damp. It's not quite dry from last night. So I haven't had these plaits in as long as I usually keep them in, but I have to go out this morning because I am today a traveling loctician. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these out. I'm gonna do it very quickly so you can see what my braid out looks like, and also a result of the shampoo that I used last night. That shampoo was actually purple. That shampoo was actually purple, just like it said it would be. It was somewhat, just a little thick, but a little bit went a long way. I like the way it makes my hair feel because it felt really clean when I was finished with my hair. And I think that braid out results are best on freshly shampooed hair. There's a difference. It will hold longer if it's completely dry. And today we know it's not completely dried. But I still like the results right now that I'm getting. And in the interest of time, I took my bands off before turning on my camera. I hope that you can appreciate that. My braid out is as beautiful as ever, even though it's a little bit damp. I'm looking at my color on my hair, the gray, and I was hoping to not see like the brownish right here, but I think that's just the way it's gonna be. It's not a big difference to me in the color of my hair. I may do a side-by-side of a previous picture just to see, probably from my last video where I did a braid out, just to see what it looks like and if there's a difference. And maybe this is going to happen over time where I have more silver than gray hair. But I like the way it looks. I like the way it feels. It's definitely clean, and I will use it again, not only for the purpose of the video, but for the results that it should give. Yes. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. But I especially love God because He's been so good to me. I can't even tell it all. God has been great. He is an awesome God. And I thank you for watching. And now, my 360. Have a great day.